Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be replacing this storm door slash screen doors handle because it's getting stuck. So let's get started on that, but don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. So for the most part we're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get started taking this apart. You guys can see that the problem we have right here is with this latch, it's not pulling all the way back, and you almost have to push it up to pull it back. So this is why we're replacing this. There we have it. Alright, so here's the latch that we got, and it doesn't look like it really aligns with the holes that are currently in this. So we have two choices. We could either use this and have to make a new hole, or take it back and try to find one that matches this exactly, or use the internals of this right here. That way it'll align with the holes, and still use this because this looks like that aligns also. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this piece out, put it in here, and then still use this piece. So let's give that a try. This is going to go in here, and our spring is going to be going over top of that, but we can always already see compared to the other one it's a bit long, and that's what these little notches are for. We can cut these so it matches up that length a little bit better. Okay, so here's what you normally do with this. You have some notches here, and if you're going to dry fit this is really what you want to do first before you try to put it all together. But you'll see these notches here, and I'll show you what these are for. Put this through your door. Next thing we want to do is slide this over top. And you can see right here we've got a spacing, and that's not going to allow us to put that in. So what we would have to do is we'd have to cut off some of these notches, just kind of based off of where we're at. So if I were going to do this, I'd probably cut it off right about here, and then move on from there, put it back on, and then see if that fits. But we're not going to do that because the door that we got doesn't totally fit, right? So this is our new door latch, and this is also the inside door latch. We're going to use this one, but we're going to use the old door latch and the top of it here. So we're going to use that. So we're not even going to have to cut this. So we're going to be able to put this right directly on with the old, or with the new one. So let's do that. So here's our little plate that was with this. Just going to reinstall it. Put this all back together here. There we go. Match up with those holes. Take the screw, put it here on the bottom. And take our new latch, fit it on here, the old screws. I'll leave that loose so you can match up the other hole. And then we'll tighten it down. Test out this inside. It's good. Test out the outside. Good. Now we test out the door. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Like I said, you can do that with the new door handle just by plucking off those little notches until you get it all dry fitted, and then you can put it all together, or do what we did and just kind of take the guts out and use parts of the new, parts of the old, and then it comes even together faster. So hope you guys like, hope you guys subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell down there to get any notifications from us, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.